Okay, welcome back to our channel. So for today, I will show you, welcome back to our channel, Optimal Life and Delights. Today I will show you how you can purchase online ticket, especially the Tuesday savers that we all rush to last minute to secure special tickets to travel. So I've seen a lot of people having difficulty going around searching for agents and people to get their tickets purchased to travel. So I decided to put this video together for people who would like to purchase the ticket by themselves and cut down on the cost that they spend on agents. Okay, so first of all, you have to create an account with Niugini online. So when you get into the website, it's on your right hand side. So you have to create an account and you have to click on subscription for specials. So every time there's every Tuesdays there's special ad coming out. And Niugini will automatically send you an email to the email address that you have created online on their website. So you will get the email and that's a bonus for you. So at 9 o'clock or a few minutes past 9, you will be one of the first people to get notification. So you can go online straight away to purchase yourself a ticket. So as for me, I already have an account online. So when the notification comes through my email, I go and just click on the link to get myself straight into the website to purchase the ticket. So let's see. This is a copy of my email. It's been sent to me during Tuesdays few weeks back. So when you get into the special hours expired, so I'll just do a sample or example of how to purchase ticket online. That works for Tuesday Savers special ticket as well. So when you go online, you can follow the same instructions and you will purchase your special ticket. Okay, so when the notification has been sent to your email, you have to click on the link to the website that is in the email. So you can go to book right here. You can go to book, click on book. We'll get you straight into the website. So when you get into the website, let's run through the features here. So on the website, this is for one way. So if you want to just purchase, like for example, from Port Moresby to Wewak, you just go here. You click this, it's one the Pom to Wewak, done. If you want to do a Pom to Wewak and Wewak to Pom, then you go to round trip. And then if you want to do like Pom to Lay to Wewak, then it's the multiple city here. So when you are inside, you just click on where you're departing. For example, we said Wewak. So you put Wewak here. Put departing. Apologies, Port Moresby. It's all right. Let's just stick with that. Port Moresby. And then you want to pay for one passenger, you just leave it as it is. If you want to add a passenger, you go plus one. That's for adults now, 2 adults. If you want to add kids, you go follow this, 1 kid. Or if not, you go over here, we just pay for one adult passenger for now. So it's economic class. So since it's on a round trip, it's showing you the departure date and the return date, but let's go to one where it makes easier. So you're departing on the date that is the window period for the travel date is usually 1 month from the date of advertisement. So let's say today is the 6th of April. So you'll be traveling, the window period will be 6th of May to 21st of May. So you have to select those dates. So let's see, you want to travel on a weekend, maybe a Saturday. So 11th is in that window period of 6, 11th, let's look for 11th first. 11th is on a Tuesday, which is in the window period of 6 to 21 May. So we click on 11, and that's our date of travel. Okay. After everything here is fixed, you just go set flights. Okay. And then, like I said, the special's already out. So if it's a special, then this will be showing as 217 kina. So you leave it as it is. You pay for 217 kina. Disregard this. Don't worry about this one. It will be less. It should be around 217 kina. So you click on the date you want to travel. It automatically picks out or highlights the date you want to travel because you already put it in the previous page. So you click on hit, usually the first preference that comes up. So you look at the time. Look at the time here. You want to travel in the morning, in the afternoon? I usually go for the midday flight or the afternoon flight. So you select this one. And then, like you said, economy promo seats are out. They're usually the economy promo seats, so you can select this first one. You have to be really quick in selection because if you don't, other people will pay the tickets out and you'll be left out. So you select this. Let's see, you select this. You're supposed to select the economic basic, but like I said, they are sold out, so we cannot select that. And then you see, this is the price, the total fare for everything. So it includes the GST, the taxes, so it will go up from what is, for example, if it's a 1999 or 120.99, it will add another 80 kina also for the tax, and it will go up to 217 kina, for instance, for what we're looking for, form. Okay, so it should be around 217 kina here. And then when you're done, you're happy with the date and the time of travel. If you're not happy, you can always use this arrow to go back, but continue with your to guest, continue as guest. You click on this link. And then you put down the name of your name. It can be a Miss or Mrs. You write your name here. You put down a name. And then it's everything else is easy here. And then you must put your phone number because it will notify you of changes in the flight details. So if a flight has been postponed or delayed, it should pop up. It will give you notification of the changes message every time on your email or your phone number. So if you're paying for someone else, put down your phone number, or if you want to put down their phone number, you can put them down here with that email address. When you're done with that, you click continue to ancillaries. Continue to ancillaries, and then you will see add complimentary package to see if you want to pay for your luggage online, which is cheaper than having to go to the airport to pay. And then you say continue to payment. When all of these luggages and everything are added on, then you go to continue to payment. But here, pay attention very carefully. So if you're paying for the 217 now, the Tuesday special or Wednesday special, they will not allow you to pay later. This one you shouldn't click. Pay later shouldn't be clicked because they're not reserved to be paid later. They're not supposed to be booked for later payment. You have to pay right away. Because if you don't, someone else will secure the ticket and you will be left out. So don't select this. Go straight to the credit card component, enter all your credit card details here, the number, the CVV number, the expiry date, all those. Enter them, and then you go to always click on this, so it will direct you to purchase. It will get you to purchase. If I've clicked the credit card, take note, I've clicked the credit card, but it wants me to pay because I want it. What we're sharing with you now is we're supposed to pay right away, but I'm not entering the credit card details here. That's why it's giving me red and I cannot continue to purchase. So for now, we'll just click on pay later, which you shouldn't do when you're doing a special payment of ticket online. Okay, but if you are paying ticket any other time without securing the specials, you can click pay later. So we'll settle with that. And then you go to check the privacy and conditions and statements. And then you go purchase. You click purchase right here. And then you wait, never ever close this pop-up notification, because if you do, it will not complete the transaction and it will ask you to redo the application or redo the submission to secure a ticket. So as you see, we already have our booking reference right here, so we can we can either go to the Niugini official, then there's record locators for them to print out the ticket for us, or if we have a printer, we can print it at home, or it will be sent to the email. So let's go to my email and check it. It should be there in my email. So if it arrives at your email, then you can use the booking reference there. It's right here. So you can use this booking reference to just go to the airport and the ticket has been sent to you if we have done a payment online. But for now, we just did the booking. So if you have done that payment with the credit card with all the details, you should have your ticket itinerary sent here. So if you print it, it's already your ticket. You can use that at the airport to board the plane. I think most people will still get it confused and we still go to Niugini to print out the ticket. After your itinerary has been paid with a credit card online and the email has been sent to your account, you can just use that to your Gmail account or any other email account. You can just use that to go to the airport to board the plane. Okay, a few tips here before we close off this session. So the process of paying online any unit ticket is quite challenging. So if you want to do that, you have to have a reliable speed of internet. Maybe get a Digicel data, and be sure to do the whole process within 5 minutes. If you stay on for other 30 minutes or so, you might miss out on securing that ticket. So if you go online, make sure to get everything prepared. The name of the person you're buying the ticket for, that's their desired time of travel, where they want to go, who else is traveling with them. All those lists has to be confirmed before you go online and start paying the tickets. So I hope you enjoy or find this session informative, and it will help you to do your own purchase when you get to fly around PNG or anywhere in the world. So thank you again for watching this video. We hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to our channels, so we can find other interesting videos to make for you in this channel. Thank you again, and see you on the next one.